Scorpio, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the new moon in Cancer energy reading, and yeah, Cancer is your fellow water sign, so it must be helpful for you. And thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. You guys are amazing. And if you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel because it helps me a lot. Okay, and yeah, I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Scorpio, let's start your reading. This is for the Scorpio. I'm feeling very exciting for you. So let's see what is coming during this new moon in Cancer energy for you guys. This is for the Scorpio. Okay, this is for the Scorpio. So let's cut the deck for you guys. Scorpio, full moon, new moon in Cancer. Okay, what is coming for the Scorpio? Emperor. Oh, some of you are dealing with Aries. Knight of Cups, Two of Cups, wow. Five of Cups, Page of Swords, Temptation right in the heart of your spread, which is Capricorn, Saturn. Lovers, which is the Gemini energy. Seven of Wands, Ten of Swords, Ten of Wands. Okay, so you are having some kind of closing of a chapter. Bottom of the deck we have Hanged Man. So you have thought about it for a long time to ending this thing or situation or connection with anyone. Okay, maybe it is a karmic habit of yours, so now finally you are going to end this. Scorpio, this is your overall energy. Emperor, you are very in divine masculine energy of yours. For some of you, I'm feeling that you are very disconnected with your emotions, and you are in your head, because this is also very ego person. And yeah, let's see, with the Knight of Cups, Two of Cups, and the Five of Cups energy, I'm feeling that there is someone who is waiting for you, but it must be you. You can switch the roles. I'm feeling that Knight of Cups, Two of Cups, and the Five of Cups, yeah, there is someone who has deep emotions for you, deep love for you. With this Two of Cups energy, they have deep connection with you emotionally, very intense. And the thing that you are coming for them, it must be a younger water sign, another Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, and they are feeling sad because you are not. They're feeling very alone, very sad. They're crying with the Five of Cups energy. Page of Swords, Temptation, and the Lovers, I'm feeling that you are now having some kind of choice or decision point to make some kind of decision, or to make some kind of choice, to pick up some options. And because you have to change this habit, this karmic habit, like this is like you have to choose the person or the habit. This is something like that. I'm feeling this is your anger, because Emperor is with the Devil, because this is also Devil, Capricorn, Temptation. And you are not compromising your addictions, but you are compromising the love, which is not good. Seven of Wands, Ten of Swords, and the Ten of Wands are telling me you are keep resisting this ending. You're continuously resisting this ending, and this habit to end, this connection to end, whatever is the karmic in front of you, Scorpio. You are continuously resisting that to end, because you want it to continue. You want it to continue. Yeah, you don't want to end this, but you have to end this for your betterment, for your growth, for your higher good. What is this Emperor for the Scorpio? What is this Emperor for the Scorpio? Page of Wands, Ace of Swords, World. Okay, yeah, you have to cut this habit so that you can move towards the new. This is World card. So universe is continuously giving you the ideas, the opportunities with the pages and with the aces, but you are not utilizing that. You're not actually seeing those opportunities, because after ending whatever is this Emperor energy for you, maybe anger, maybe ego, whatever is the karmic here, you have to end that and you have to move forward. You have to cut that from your life forever. Cut that out. Cut it out. Come on, cut it out. Because you are capable of these beautiful things. This beautiful connection. This is strong. This is intense. Why are you not seeing this? Because you are very, like, you are water sign, you are emotional person. So why are you not seeing the emotions of the other person? What is this Two of Cups for the Scorpio? See, Star. Four of Cups, Queen of Cups. Wow. Okay, so you are keep resisting your destiny. Actually, you are resisting your destined partner. You are resisting your destiny. You cannot resist your destiny, Scorpio. Okay, come on, love yourself and cut this bad habit from your life, whatever is this karmic, because you have to cut this for your betterment, for your higher good. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, Scorpio, what is this temptation here for the Scorpio? What is this temptation here for the Scorpio? I just want to know, why are you not letting it go? Ace of Cups, Queen of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, after ending this karmic habit or this karmic loop with this person of yours, or this karmic pattern, whatever is karmic here, whatever is toxic here for you, you have to end it, and you have to be in the divine feminine energy as well, because you are very in your divine masculine energy. Very, like, most of your part is in divine masculine energy, and you're not seeing your divine feminine energy side. You have to make balance within these energies so that good things can come towards you. Okay, so that you can follow the plan of the universe. This is the plan of the universe, the beautiful plan for you. Okay, what is this Lovers here? What kind of choice you have to make? What is this Lovers here for the Scorpio? What is this Lovers here for the Scorpio? So this is a very good time to cut this thing out of your life. Knight of Swords. Transformation, here you are. Yeah, definitely you're transforming. Great. Tower. Yeah, this is sudden for you because you didn't expect to leave this thing behind, this connection behind, this karmic loop, this karmic habit, whatever is this karmic or toxic here. You didn't think to end this thing, but now this is very sudden with the Knight of Swords and with the Tower. It's sudden, it's swift, it's fast, and you are also transforming it. You're accepting it. Beautiful. You're accepting this decision of universe, which is great. Beautiful, Scorpio. So you are accepting the decision of the universe, and you are moving forward with the Knight of Swords energy. What is the Seven of Wands for the Scorpio? What is the Seven of Wands? Two of Pentacles, Moon, Sun. Yeah, this is the thing. So after picking up the options to cut that person or that thing out of your life, you will know everything about yourself. You will feel happy. You will feel happy. You will feel relaxed, relieved. Yeah, because with the Moon card and the Sun card, this is the divine feminine and this is the masculine energy, and also mind and soul. So after ending that thing, you will feel very balanced within your mind, within your soul, within your body. You will feel relaxed, which is great. Okay, what is this Ten of Wands? What is this Ten of Wands for the Scorpio? Definitely. So at least you are accepting the plan of the universe, and you are now following that. Beautiful. At some point you think that you will never leave it, you will never cut it or let go of it, but now you are doing it, and that's the best decision for your growth. Beautiful. Okay, Ten of Wands for the Scorpio. Ten of Wands, Six of Cups, soulmate, Four of Pentacles, Nine of Wands. Okay, I'm feeling that because of these Four of Pentacles and Nine of Wands, I'm feeling that now your perspective is like, I will not accept anyone else in my life. until I will relieved, I will be healed. I will be healed from these past experiences. Mhm. Until you will have your guard up. Until then. But there is a person who wants to come forward to you with this swift energy. They really want to come forward to you. It must be a new person, because we have sun here, we have aces here, we have world here. So something new and transformation. This is also rebirth after the death. So definitely something very beautiful new is coming your way. So don't think that you have to put your guard up and you have to have your guard up, your wall up. No, just keep healing your self. Okay, continue to heal yourself and be in the receiving energy, be in the gratitude. So beautiful Scorpio, you're at least now, you are finally you are accepting that this is for you. Okay, so this is I have for you, and I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.